So after 2 weeks, everything has arrived. And so today we're gonna unbox all of them and check that I do have everything so we can proceed on with the project. Yeah, so as you can see, there is a lot of packages and we're gonna unbox them one by one. The first package that we're gonna do is the biggest one, which I think has all the rails and the motors from 3D LabTech. Right, so we here have the frame kit. We have these are all the motors, and these are the linear rail. So there's actually a lot of stuff, as you can see. There's a lot of motors. All the stuff that we need. So I believe, yeah, of course, everything from 3D LabTech will be good. This is the least that we have to be concerned with. Oh, this is a cool one. This is the Dragon hotend. It has a very nice packaging, and this is the ultra high flow rate. And as I've said before, the high flow rate is out of stock, so I had to buy this one. But I think that just makes the 3D printer I'll build more future proof. Oh, damn. Looks very good. This is the control board. Just everything. Oh, they sent me another duck. I guess they sent all of their stuff with ducks. Very nice. Okay. So you got these from Amazon, these machinist squares that will need to make sure that the frame that we built is 90 degrees so that every component comes together. What is this? Oh, this is the power supply that I'll need. Looks like this. I'll just put this back into the box. Let's see. Here is this entire package from the Voron printed for program, which people that have built a Voron printer help you 3D print all the 3D printed parts that you need to build your 3D printer. There is 150 pieces in here. There's a lot of pieces in here that I would need to go. Oh, and then he's so nice that he printed me this thing, which I'll need to use to, like, I think scrub off the printing plate, of stuff. Looks very cool. So yeah, that's why people say you should not build a Voron 2.4 as your starter 3D printer, because you need a lot of 3D printed parts to build them. Which I don't have a 3D printer to do so. And last but not least, we got this really big package here. And I believe this is the printing pad and all the magnetic sheet. These will look very precious there, so then I'm not gonna touch these until I need to assemble them. Looks very nice. Okay, so we've unboxed everything. For now, I'm just gonna double check everything, and that'll be it for today. However, tomorrow I'll start putting everything together. But yeah, very excited, very nice.